Hey everyone, this is Sandy Reese with StampItCrew.com. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. Thanks so much for joining me for a live video today. I'm going to give it just a minute for people to get signed on. We had a big ice storm this week. Fortunately, in our area, we mostly had just a lot of sleet. So, we had some buildup, but everything's melting now, and hopefully by this weekend we should be completely clear on the roads at least. A few things I want to talk about before we get started. First of all, celebration is still going on this month. We do have a whole new set of products that are in the annual catalog that are going to be free with an order. And here, I brought my flyer up. We have a couple of our kits. We have ribbon, designer paper, and a couple embossing folders. This lovely layers decorative masks. Love those. We have two punches for just a $50 level. And then we have a whole bundle here, stamp set dies for our $100 level. So lots of, these are perfect for Valentine's too. So if you want to place an order, you could get these in time for Valentine's Day if you do it soon. But yeah, so lots of great new items that we can order from Celebration. I love this ribbon too. Okay, that is the main thing. Now, today I wanted to feature the Country Bouquet stamp set. Now, this is kind of our Valentine's set. We do have a couple others, but this is the one I've been using, and it comes in a suite. It's called Country Floral Lane Suite, and good news is it's gorgeous. It all coordinates. Bad news is this punch is now not orderable. It probably won't be in until April, so I'm going to try real hard not to use that punch over the next few videos to show you what all we can do with this. We can do so many different things with this stamp set that it's super versatile. It's not just for Valentine's Day. This ribbon is also sold out. I may use it, but it will be back in stock later this month. So it's not too far off from us being able to order that. But I will use some other ribbons to show you what else will coordinate with the paper and everything. Okay, so we're going to start off just a friend card, not Valentine's. This is just a fun friend card. So we're going to set that aside, and I'm going to start with a half a sheet of Balmy Blue. I don't have any of my things out here. Okay, then I'm going to use a piece of white for the inside. It's probably light enough that we don't need to, but if you want, you can add an inside. This is just a friendship card, so I'm going to leave this blank. And then I could use it for birthday or thank you or, thinking of you or whatever I want to use later. All right, so we are going to do just a little bit of stamping. I have a piece of Sweet Sorbet and a little banner from the Stylish Shapes dies. And I think that's Petal Pink. And we are going to stamp using just Sweet Sorbet. I'm going to stamp I Love That We Are Friends right here on this banner. Oh, perfect. That fits perfectly. And then we have this little floral clump of flowers. And I'm just going to stamp a little bit right at the top. Okay. And that's all the stamping I'm going to do on this one. Okay, let's adhere this to our card front, and I will post all the measurements on my blog. All right, then we have a piece of this vellum. Now this vellum is in the annual catalog. It is called Layering Designs Vellum, and it has some like book printing, and then it has this fun map. Which I really like, and it has 2 sheets of the white and then 2 sheets of black of each design. So I'm just putting adhesive at the top of that I'm going to leave about 1/2 inch at the bottom and glue that on. When you have that white against a color, that white pops. So make sure there's 2 sides. You want to make sure you get the brighter side. Face up. Then I'm going to, oh, I forgot to put ribbon. I'll do that in a minute. We're going to use some of this designer paper from the pack, and it has the bicycles on it. Super fun. Okay, we're just going to hear this down. All right. Now I know this punch, the heart punch is gone. And unfortunately, our clover punch is gone and it's not coming back. It is sold out completely. I had wanted to use it this month, but that is not happening. So, you know, if there's a punch that you all want, punches have a long lead time. So it takes a lot of time to get those back in. So usually when they are, I'm going to attempt to put this ribbon under here because I forgot to tie it on. Usually punches will not, once they're gone, they're gone. So we still have a punch left, the little bunny punch that's in the mini catalog. If you want that punch, I suggest you get it now because there are no guarantees it's going to be around when Easter gets close. All right, so I'm using some of this balmy blue and white striped ribbon. So this is one that goes well with this, this paper. This is a carryover. It had been in the holiday catalog with the gnome. Now it's one-sided, so you have to kind of be careful as you tie your bow to kind of keep the stripes on the outside. So you kind of have to twist it a bit as you tie the bow to keep it. Double-sided ribbons are a little easier to use, but this is so cute. And it kind of goes with our linear design here. And we'll trim a little bit off of this end. Okay. I might bring this over just a little bit. Okay, so now we have our sentiment. I'm going to pop this up right here. I want to make sure I get above and below the ribbon too. Because if you pop it up right on the ribbon, a lot of times your sentiment will be kind of loose and jiggly and get a jiggly sentiment. Nobody wants jiggly sentiments. We want them attached directly to the paper. Okay, isn't that cute? That looks so cute because the hearts are the same color as the ribbon. Okay, so we're going to do just a little embellishing. I have, these are the adhesive back sequins that go with this suite. They're pastel. And we have, I'm looking for my piercer here, my pick tool. Okay, so we have them in the blue, the balmy blue, we've got pink and gold. Now, we have balmy blue, pink, the petal pink, and then we have mint macaron. I don't have a mint macaron sequins, but what I do have is a mint macaron. This is the dark mint macaron blend, and I'm just gonna color my sequin. Mint macaron, let that dry for a second. It doesn't look too different, but when you put that on the bicycle, it's gonna look like mint. Okay, so here's our blue, and I'm putting these right on this part of the bicycle. Let's grab I'm using the small ones. Let's grab the pink, put that right here on this bicycle, and then our mint should be dry. We're gonna put it on that one. And it looks, once you put it on, it definitely looks green. So you can use your blends markers to color your sequins. Let's say, I'm gonna do one sequin. Let's say we have pink and I want a cherry cobbler. I use the darker side, but I wanna get a cherry cobbler blend. Okay, there's a piece of cat hair. My cat was up here when I was messing around last night. Okay, I'm going to take this and look, we can color it and make it red. So you can color the sequins if you're using, you know, it's hard to, you can't make them lighter, but you can definitely make them darker. So if you have blues or greens, use the blue. Anything in the red or orange or purple, use the pink. And then with the golds, you could do browns. Let's do, we never have like dark brown sequins or embellishments. We'll get some, but we can make our own kind of bronzy dark brown embellishments just using the blends. So that's your quick tip for today. I will post the measurements and supplies that I used on this card, and then please check back with me on, let's see, today's Thursday. Check back with me on Saturday and I'll have another video for you posted on YouTube. And don't forget, celebration's still happening. We have a great starter kit special. We have lots of perks for being a demonstrator, and if you want to join my team, we have tons of perks for joining my team as well. So thank you all for joining me. I see, I'm going to check and see if we have any questions. I see Tony's on. Hi, Tony. Let's just click on these. I think that's all I see. I see Michelle is on too. Hi, Michelle. So we have some others. I don't know, I can't see who else is on, but thank you for joining me. We have our stampery on Saturday, so I'm super excited. Most of my stamps and stamp colors and refills and everything are downstairs, all packed and ready to go for setup tomorrow. So we are also having a giant garage sale. Everybody brings their gently used or double ordered items for a garage sale. So we have tables and tables of products to sell. We have, you know, there'll be all kinds of things, not just stamps. We have papers. There will be, I'm sure, ink pads. Another tip, another quick thing is that we will be having a color refresh coming with the new catalog. So if there's, I don't know what's going, I know a couple things that are coming in, but if there are any colors, especially our outgoing in colors that you want to save, you want to go ahead and order those refills now, because the refills sell out first thing. So if you want any, you know, of your favorite retiring in colors or even your favorite colors, make sure to get an ink refill and some paper so that you can keep enjoying those once, you know, if just in case they're gone, because you never know. And the bunny punch, make sure you order. If you want that, you better make sure you order it soon. All right, thanks everybody. I'll see you again on Saturday. Bye-bye.